The D5000 lightweight quad-rotor UAV system is specially designed for applications in industries such as surveying, remote sensing, inspection, and public safety. It features ultra-long endurance, strong wind resistance, sensitive obstacle avoidance, precise positioning, terrain-following flight, and multi-payload capabilities. The D5000 excels in high-altitude, cold and harsh environments with large elevation differences. With its compact and modular design, the D5000 can easily be packed into a portable carrying case, enabling flexible solo operation. The D5000 has a maximum takeoff weight of 4.1 kilograms, a maximum flight time of 90 minutes, a maximum takeoff altitude of 6,000 meters, a stable communication radius of 30 kilometers, and a single mission coverage area of up to 14 square kilometers. It boasts distinctive autonomous terrain-following flight capabilities, ensuring that various mission payloads obtain consistent and accurate aerial survey and remote sensing data. The D5000 is equipped with a high-precision 5-star 16-frequency differential positioning module, enabling 150 large-scale mapping without the need for ground control points, and further enhancing its resistance to GNSS interference. Equipped with professional drone software, including SmartPlan, SmartFly, SmartProcess, and more, the D5000 features a newly added forward-facing single gimbal 180-meter ToF time-of-flight module, capable of dynamically scanning forward obstacles in real time. Equipped with forward and downward visual modules, the D5000 offers both visual SLAM navigation and visual obstacle avoidance, further ensuring safe return and landing in strong GNSS interference or GNSS-denied environments. The D5000 supports multiple payloads, such as orthophoto, oblique, remote sensing, LiDAR, and video modules, making the platform highly versatile and able to meet diverse client data acquisition needs, which supports end-to-end workflow from automated 3D mission planning, real-time flight monitoring, data pre-processing, to spatial data results. Additionally, it can be paired with a handheld SLAM LiDAR scanner for integrated indoor-outdoor spatial data solutions. D5000 Smart Surveying, Remote Sensing, Inspection, and Emergency UAV System. Continually evolving with visible progress, we aim to guide you through one-stop, multi-scenario applications.